Hey, what's up everyone? I try not to buy too many sneakers these days, but when I heard about the ADIDAS Superstar Pure Tokyo sneakers, I just had to get them. They come in 3 different colorways. Each version focuses on one of 3 influential neighborhoods in Tokyo: Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Nakameguro. The Shibuya sneakers has the name of the neighborhood stitched in Japanese kanji on one corner, and on the other side it features artwork that depicts the famous crosswalks of Shibuya Crossing. This colorway has a great overall design, but I ended up not getting it just because I couldn't really see too many outfits I would wear with it. During my visit to Japan, I managed to film a short time lapse of the crossing. This is super touristy, I know, but definitely try to do one yourself if you visit Shibuya. The Shinjuku version of the sneakers has the neighborhood name stitched in kanji as well. The artwork featured here are ginkgo leaves. The reason for this is because there is a famous festival that happens in Shinjuku City every year called the Jingu Gaien Ginkgo Festival, and that celebrates the peak color of the ginkgo trees. If you plan on seeing the ginkgo leaves at their peak, it's best to visit Japan from mid-November to early December. The Nakameguro version, which like the previous 2 sneakers, has the neighborhood name stitched in kanji on the corner. The artwork featured on this sneaker has the iconic Japanese sakuras, also known as cherry blossoms. This neighborhood is famous for its densely packed riverside sakura trees. I visited Japan during the cherry blossom season, which happens from late March to early April. This is probably the best and also the busiest time to visit Japan. Alright, now that we went over the cool Japanese stuff, let's talk real quick about the build of the sneaker and what you are in for. The upper portion of the sneakers is composed of synthetic leather. Of course, it wouldn't be a superstar sneaker without the iconic shell toe in front. You may have noticed this already, but unlike the regular edition of the superstars, you do not have the 3 ADIDAS stripes on the side of the sneakers, which gives it a very minimal design. The soles of the shoes are made of rubber, with the signature ADIDAS Superstar design pattern on the outsole bottom of the sneakers. The tongue of the sneaker is a thin strip of leather. I would have honestly preferred this to be a cushion as it kind of digs into your skin. Here I am wearing the sneakers on feet. If you need size recommendations, I would say stick to your normal size. I bought mine in size 8.5 and they fit me very well. I'm a huge fan of Japanese culture, and if you're familiar with my channel, especially the earlier content, then this should be no surprise to you. That being said, here are my thoughts on the sneakers. They're basically the same as the original ADIDAS Superstar sneakers in terms of comfort, build, and sizing. Not much is different there besides the added Japanese design and stitching. The colorways for each of the sneakers are great from a design perspective, and I felt like they really did capture the heart and soul of each of the neighborhoods. I'm a sucker for most things Japanese, so this review was definitely going to be biased to begin with, I'll admit it, but still at the end of the day these are a great pair of sneakers regardless. I definitely consider these to be a great addition to my sneaker collection, that's for sure. Alright everyone, that's it for me today. My name is Eric, as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.